So we're going to try to fix the vent over here. It's ripped. Totally ripped. Let's try that. I have some extra flex things. Try to fix that. So that's got a cut of the old stuff. Let's get rid of it. Don't need it anymore. Let's see what size this is. I think 10 inch. Yeah, 10 inch should work. Okay, let's cut this down. Let's cut off this wire. There's a wire going around it all. Let's cut off this wire. Oh, it's not pretty easy. Okay. Get rid of that. That's definitely a small piece. So since we're gonna have this is the return, we're gonna have the flow coming this way inside. So we're gonna make this one just stick it on the outside. So we could buy a whole another coupling to attach this one to the new one. Or we could just put it on straight. Let's see. Yeah, let me just try to put it on straight. Looks like we just got enough. Yeah. Okay, thank God for that one. That looks pretty good. Some tape and plastic thing. What I was gonna do is actually just put the old one on the inside all around and then tape it up since it's only a return and skip the coupling and like this because the airflow flows that one, so it should have a smooth flow, and this is when the old one is on the inside. Okay, but it doesn't look like we have to use this. We just put this one straight on. We just put this one straight on. There's this metal wire coming all over and all around it. This might just be enough. You can use any tape, I guess. Any tape that should hold it. I have this, I might as well. It's pretty good. And then now we'll take a strap here. Strap it in. I think this is 36 inches for a 10-inch circle vent. And you could buy a special plier to do this, or you could try it with your hand and your muscle. should be it. That was an easy fix. Yeah, that's for that. Let's put some insulation there. So that's it with that. Thanks for watching.